Before you begin, consult both the vehicle manual and the car seat manual for instructions. In this video, you will learn general steps to install a rear-facing only car seat with UAS. Find the UAS connectors stored on the base of the seat and position them for rear-facing. Position the base on the vehicle seat. Look for a recline indicator. The indicator may be located on the carrier portion of the car seat. Some rear-facing only car seat bases have an adjustable recline. If the seat is not reclined enough, check the manual to see if you may use a tightly rolled towel, a piece of pool noodle, or multiple pool noodles taped together to change the recline angle. Route the UAS strap through the base as indicated in the manual. Make sure the belt is flat and not twisted. Attach both UAS connectors to the lower anchors in the seat bight or crease of the vehicle seat. Listen for a click. Tug gently on the connectors to make sure they are firmly attached to the lower anchors. Do not climb onto the car seat base. Try standing in the vehicle and pushing towards the vehicle seat, or standing outside of the vehicle and pushing in with one knee. Or try leaning over the car seat and pushing down with your hand. Test for tightness at the belt path. The car seat should move less than 1 inch in any direction, side to side and front to back. Double check the recline angle. If the indicator is on the carrier, you will need to attach it to the base for this step. For a newborn, it is important to make sure the car seat is as reclined as allowed. If the recline angle is not correct, uninstall the base and make adjustments. Check the manual to know how much of the car seat must be on the vehicle seat. Not all rear-facing only car seats allow overhang. Attach the carrier to the base and make sure it fully connects. Gently tug up on the carrier handle to make sure it attaches to the base. If you're having difficulty, try installing with the seatbelt, try a different position in the vehicle, or try a different car seat.